Which the following is not true about colostrum? It is thick yellowish in color. That is true, right? Colostrum. What is colostrum? Let me write the first MCQ. It is a first formed milk. Is colostrum. What is the color? Yes, it is thick yellowish in color. That is true. It is rich in IgA. That is also true. Yes, it has got lot of immunoglobulin. So this is also known as giving first immunization to the baby. First immunization. So colostrum is considered as first immunization to the baby. It has high protein. That is also true. It has high fat and sugar. That is false. It has low fat and sugar. Okay, this is false. So what is the answer here? High fat and sugar is wrong because it has got low fat and sugar. The correct answer is low fat and sugar. Okay. Yes, first milk. Yes, Sandra. PAC. That is my mnemonic. Here also, I'm planning to say PAC. You might be knowing, but not everyone. So I will say once again. Guys, can you see one picture? One is two types of breast milk. You see here. One is mature breast milk. Another is colostrum. Which is colostrum? Obviously, this is colostrum because we know that colostrum will be thick yellow in color. That's what I want to show you. In some textbooks, you will also see orangish. Yeah, that is also yellow to orangish is the color. Okay, so it is thickly. Why is it yellow? You may see whenever I ask this question, why it is yellow in color? Students say because it is rich in fat. No, it is not rich in fat. It is rich in. So you can remember it is thickly packed with. Thickly packed with. What is the spelling of pack? PAC. Yes, it is thickly packed with. Starting with, so remember the mnemonic. P is protein. It has high concentration of protein. A is antibody. That is why you call it as giving first immunization. C is carbohydrate. So it is high in PAC, thickly packed with PAC. That itself packed itself is the mnemonic. Is thickly packed with protein, antibody, and carbohydrate. Whereas it is low in fat and sugar. That is the next MCQ. Okay. It is yellow because of protein. It is yellow because of protein. Okay. So when you see, there is a belief in India, in some parts of India, this yellow color is not normal, right? So on seeing this, they call it as witch's milk. They call it as witch's milk. And the dais, they usually advise women not to take this because they say that, okay, it's considered it's a witch's milk, so you have to discard it. It's not like that. This is like giving first immunization to the baby and you have to give colostrum to baby. Okay. Yes, Sandra, PAC.